Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to pin on X. Okay, so open X application and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left to open the side menu. As you can see, this menu has many sections. You want to go to section with your profile. Now on your profile you want to go to a specific post that you want to pin. I will go with this one, for example, and next to it, next to the post, you want to find three-dot button right here and select option pin to your profile, and of course confirm that you really want to pin it. As you can see, it appears right at the top of my page with the small label pinned on it. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.